Having a strong immune system is essential to fight viral infections and other disease-causing germs. This video will provide you top 5 drinks that will help you to improve your immune system. The good news is that you can make all of them at home with little effort. Welcome to Aishwarya TV. Hit subscribe for more videos. You might have heard the benefits of ginger, lemon and honey, but when all these are combined, that's where the real superpower begins. Take a ginger and grate into small pieces. Boil a glass of water in a bowl. Add the grated ginger into the boiling water and leave it for 10 minutes. Add 1 spoon of lemon juice and 1 spoon of honey. Drink this mixture. You will see the real difference. Ginger has extraordinary antibiotic properties within, which could help our body to protect against invading bacteria. Lemon juice and honey loaded with plenty of nutrients that help to prevent various issues like digestive disorders, cancer and more. So try this immune boosting mixture to boost your immune systems. Curcumin content found in turmeric believed to be having excellent anti-inflammatory properties that boost the immune system. Turmeric has been recommended as medicine since ancient days. The recipe for this golden milk is simple, which will take only less than 10 minutes to prepare. Boil a glass of milk, add 2 spoons of organic turmeric powder. Drink this golden milk before bedtime. Garlic is incredibly nutritious with little calories. Scientists claim that garlic contains a vast range of nutrients including manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, fiber and more. The recipe is simple. Take 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and crush it. Boil a glass of water and add the crushed garlic. Wait for 10 minutes. Add a teaspoon of pure honey. Drink this mixture to feel the real power. Watermelon is proven to be boosting immune system by providing essential vitamins and nutrients. Watermelon contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, which is highly essential for the good immune system. You can make watermelon juice at home and the recipe is simple and easy. If you require refreshing taste, then add mint in it. Orange, known to be one of the magic fruits that is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and other essential antioxidants. One orange is capable of offering 116.2% of the daily value of vitamin C that is required for your body. Vitamin C is essential for your body as it supports immune system a lot. Many studies claim that the orange helps to reduce cholesterol, blood sugar and risk of cancer. So try consuming homemade orange juice a day as it can boost your immune system a lot. Consider avoiding anything that says from concentrate as this tends to have added sugar. Hope you all like this video. Share this video to your friends and do subscribe for more videos.